I'm just waiting for this. Okay, well, alright, we're just waiting to go live. Here we are. Okay, we're live yet. Right. Hello everyone, hello. Welcome to my live stream. I'm Michael Coates and I'm the founder and creator of the sewingguru.com. Now we're live on oh hi, hello. I'm waving. Hi there everyone, hello. I'm just basically waving to people on Instagram here. I'm going live on Facebook and Instagram at the same time here. I just want to talk about some great free offers that we've got to the Sewing Guru. But before we get to that, I just want to tell you about what I am. If you don't know who I am Michael Coates, and I am the founder and the creator of the learning online website for sewing and tailoring, thesewingguru.com. We've been going for about 11 years now, and it's a really fantastic resource, and I love it. I love it. I'm so proud of it, like I said, I'm really I love that I've created this website so that it basically gives everybody the chance to be able to sew and tailor. I do apologise if I'm just waffling on, because I've got to say, before I came on today, I thought, right, I'm going to go live today, and the internet router was flashing red, and I thought, oh no, you know, when the router is flashing red, then or router, we can't go live. There's no connection to the internet, and we were trying to fix things and get it sorted, and it says on the PC there is no connection, and we know there's no connection because we can't go live. So I've had to wait for an hour before I could go live. It's a little bit annoying, but finally I thought, well, I'm gonna make a cup of tea. And then it went on. The lights were blue, and I was like, wow, brilliant, we're live. So, or we can go live. So here I am. So yeah, I was really pleased about that. So if you like my stream for Facebook, please like us and please share us. On Instagram, please share us as well. And tell everyone about us, because it is a really beneficial website. There's a Sewing Guru. It's massive, and it teaches people in the best and most unique way of how to sew and tailor. Now I'm just looking over here because I've got a few things to say on here before I forget. I mean, on Facebook, if you want to receive a notification when we go live, you just click the link, receive all live notifications, and Facebook will notify you whenever we go live. Instagram is a bit different. We're new to this, so I think whenever people are live and we go live, I think you get notified anyway. I'm not too sure. We're gonna have to I'm gonna have to ask the guys about this, but how that works. But it's all set up and we're going. And I've got my cup of tea that I made earlier, before I went live, when the lights were all red. So here we are, and we're live now. So I'm really pleased about that, like I said. So the Sewing Guru, if you're not familiar with it, it is an online website, and it teaches you how to sew and tailor in the easiest and best possible manner. Now, I've been sewing for about 30 years, and when I first started sewing, there was no resource for like this. I mean, the internet wasn't available, for one, and it was really difficult to learn sewing, how the industry did it. I mean, you know, I had to basically learn from college and doing a degree in fashion design, and then afterwards I set up tailoring shops, and I then went to factories and seen how it all works. And what I did is I then created and come up with this thing where I could teach everybody online how to sew and tailor, with it being a fantastic resource for everyone to sew and tailor. So the site is massive. It's thesewingguru.com, and if you're interested in learning to sew, we're there. Now, we cater for everyone. we're not just for high-end professionals, for bespoke tailoring and everything else. We are there for the total beginner as well. So if you are stuck and you don't know where to turn, we have a couple of courses, the beginner's sewing course and the beginner's sewing machine course, and we go right from the very beginning. So it's really, I'll just wave. Hello there. I've got a few people joining here. Yeah, as I was saying, we cater for the absolute beginner as well. I put myself in your shoes, where it's like, I don't know what to do, I don't know where to start, I don't even know what sewing machine to get, and all of that, and I teach you from the absolute basics, from the very beginning, all the way through, so that you become confident in using a sewing machine. And even doing your first bit of stitching and your first little project, which is a handkerchief, which is a very simple project to do. Basically, we then go to intermediate, and then there is courses on there for how to create garments, so bespoke tailored garments. There's trousers, there's dresses, there's skirts, there's jackets. There's 4 different styles of jackets, ladies and gents. We've got pyjamas collection on there. And not only that, that's the sewing side, and the side which is all to do with creating clothes and learning to sew. But we also have a massive crafting section. We have an alteration section in there as well, massive alteration section. And we have a machine embroidery course, that's there as well. So if you're interested in machine embroidery, there's a mini course in there as well. And we also have a pet wear course. So if you've got a dog, lots and lots of people have dogs. My family, they've got a dog, and you know, I teach you how to make dog coats for your dog as well. And all of this, what I've mentioned, is included with a membership, a full membership. Now, what I mentioned before was we have free things to give away. Now, you will notice on Facebook we have a link for free e-tips. Okay, now all of these are e-tips. Now, I'm just gonna have a look. I've got, yeah, now you can see that there. These are exclusive e-tips that I've created, and there's lots and lots of them, as you can see there. So we've got what are sewing feet? What are the main sewing feet that you would use, or what you would buy to start sewing with? What is a free arm? What else have we got here? How often do I need to oil my sewing machine? How often do I need to change a sewing needle? And there's different information about sewing needles there as well. All sewing tips like that, and they're very valuable to have. Now, these are free. Now, I'm going to be including a link into the Instagram page if it's not on there, because you have to include it afterwards. So it'll be there. So there is free tips. All you need to do is put your email in, and you will then be able to get your free e-tips. Now, also as well, oh, I'll just wave at these. Hello everyone. Thanks for joining. Hi there to everyone. Basically as well, if you're interested in the Sewing Guru, you don't have to pay any money, because we have a free membership to join as well. And you can log in, and you can then see what you would get as a full member. And there's about 22 free videos in there, and these are the exact same videos that you would get as a full member, but they're entirely free, totally free, 100% free. Now, all you got to do is you got to go to thesewingguru.com, and on the top of the page you will see a link that says free membership. I think it says free membership. I'm just going to check that on the PC here. I think it does. I'm sure it says free membership. Let's have a look. Yes, free membership. Click that link, and you will then be able to register. And all you got to do is put your email in and your name, and we will send you login details. Now, if you don't receive your login details into your inbox, please check your junk folder, because it can be in there. It's a bit of a nightmare. Marketing's like that. It always drops in the junk folder, and it's horrendous. It really is. So if you don't see it in the inbox, have a look into your junk folder, and the likelihood is it will have been dropped in there, and then you'll just see your login details. You go to the site, and you'll be able to log in and have a look at the free section of the Sewing Guru. So it's 100% free. All you need is your email, put your name in, and you will receive that. Now, I'm also going to put links in the description of these videos on Instagram and Facebook. So don't worry if you can't find it. And not only that, if you have a problem finding the free membership, or you don't quite know what to do, just go to our website, thesewingguru.com, and go to the email link at the top of the page, on the home page. Click that, send us an email saying you're a little bit stuck, you're a bit lost, and we will send you an email and we'll tell you exactly what to do. So don't worry, you'll be able to get it anyway. So there's free e-tips and a free membership to the Sewing Guru. Now, any of you that are interested in joining, we've got a great offer to join as well. A fantastic offer. And that is within the free membership as well. So once you're a free member, you'll be able to see that you'll be able to get a membership for cheaper than the normal price. And the beauty about this price as well is that these memberships recur. Now, you don't have to worry about that because you can cancel them at any time. It's up to you. You know, there is no contract, this, that. You know, you can cancel at any time you like. But the beauty about this is that you get money off, and when your membership recurs, it stays at the price that you originally subscribed at. So, for instance, if you got a membership and it was 70% off, because we do have deals running that you can get that amount off. If you get 70% off, your membership will keep recurring at 70% off. So it's a really, really great deal. If you're interested in that, you can always email us, but we'll be putting links in there as well for the offer. So yeah, just have a look. But the Sewing Guru, it really is a great resource. I'm just going to have a look. I've compiled a few things, and not only that, we've got the Sewing Guru. It's a really, really unique system how to sew, and because it's all video based on the site as well, it really, really is the easiest way to learn to sew as well. It really is. Now, as you can see here, we've got this is the Sewing Guru, and there is other things as well apart from this. But you've got here the 2 beginners courses, which consist of 31 exercises. Now, we're not just talking videos which are like 4 or 5 minutes long. No, some of these are like an hour long. You know, so it's really, really, really informative. It's a fantastic resource, and it's not even that expensive. It's a lot cheaper to go with the Sewing Guru than it would be with a physical class. And not only that, you would learn a lot more. You do learn a lot more. So we've got here advanced lessons. We've got 10 exercises of the advanced lessons. We have 17 full garment collections there as well. So how to make a jacket, 4 different styles of jackets, trousers, dresses, skirts, waistcoats, all that kind of things, all there. There's even a pyjamas collection. There's a denim jeans collection as well, if you're interested in that, for men and women. So it's all there. We have a massive clothing alterations section. We've got 51 standalone alterations videos. So you may want to set up an alterations business to do alterations for people. And believe me, because I've done this, it can be quite lucrative. It really can. So we've got a lot of alterations in there. You know, your standard alterations that you would need to be able to do alterations to clothes. So it's shortening trousers, shortening sleeves, bringing in the shoulders, altering certain things, bringing waists in, widening waists, if there's enough fabric, widening waists, all that kind of thing. There's all that there with the alterations section. And then as well, because it's not on there, because the site's that big, we've got the crafting section and the machine embroidery section. In fact, have I got a little book thing here to do with that as well? I'll just check. Oh yeah, we've got here. This is included. This is the full-on crafting course, and there's all these different projects to do with crafting. So we've got a Scotty dog cushion, we've got a fox applique cushion, a Christmas bow tie. Now the bow tie is what you would find in the shops, Now on the site as well, there is a standard bow tie, but there is also another bow tie as well. So there's two different variations of that, and not only that, you get the patterns as well. You get the patterns with all of these crafting projects. Pin cushion, love heart on a string, a luxury wine bottle cover. Now I love the wine bottle cover. It really is fantastic. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. I'm sorry about the reflection if you can't see it. Can you see it right there? That there is the wine bottle cover. Now that is a brilliant centerpiece. If you've got people coming for dinner, family, friends, you just make your wine bottle cover, put it over a bottle of wine and put it in the center of the table, and I tell you, it looks great. It looks absolutely superb. And like I say, all of these projects come with patterns and everything. So it's well worth checking out. It really is. Do you know, I love tea. I drink tea in the morning, and I drink it throughout the day. And I do like a cup of coffee, but I really do love a cup of tea. It's there's probably a lot of people out there that are like me, but I do like a nice cup of Yorkshire Gold tea. So yeah, basically that's what I wanted to come on for, to tell you about the free membership to the website and also the free sewing e-tips. Now I've got to say, the e-tips, if you put your email in, you don't get the whole lot. Okay, you do get about 10 free e-tips, and you know, they're 100% free. They're all free, and we're talking one e-tip covers an entire page. It's like a whole page, as you can see there. Now there's 42 e-tips I've created into the collection, and of course if you become a full member you'll get the whole set. But there's 10 free e-tips there, and I think there's an offer as well with it. So have a look at that. All you got to do is, like I said, put your email in, put your name in, and you'll get your e-tips. And also, if you're interested in having a look to see what a membership would look like and what you're expected to get as a full member, join the site for free. Go to the link free membership on thesewingguru.com and register as a free member. So thanks for watching, guys. And I will see you in the next stream, hopefully, and hopefully the internet will be working. It looks like it's gone all hunky-dory with no problems at all, where we haven't cut out, so it looks like the internet is back on, and thankfully the router will stay on permanently now, so that's great. So thanks so much for watching, and a wave goodbye now to everyone. And I will see you very soon again. Take care. Bye. Let's have a look. Right, I'm gonna